5 seconds. Start. They have one school, and even if there is arrangement for starting another subject, no effort is made, and no sooner they feel they should give guarantee of some sort of technical education without proper inquiries with regard to the possibilities for employment and the various mineral resources, etc., and the basic education that should enable the students to enter the polytechnics to have the training where it is available. These polytechnics are started. Similarly, there is some confusion about the use of the word university. We have the Roorkee University for one subject versus engineering. So it seems there is going to be one university for one faculty. We have one music university also in Madhya Pradesh. We are going to start, I am told, perhaps a university only for agriculture. So if these institutes are there, which term seems to be really the appropriate word in place of these one faculty universities, I think the Honorable Minister should take the initiative in determining what should be the exact connotation of these terms. Otherwise, one day, as was pointed out, there will be perfect confusion. There comes also the question of the recognition of the degree given by these institutes. Of course, if the training with the special facilities available and the specially recruited staff available is of a high standard, naturally people would be very anxious to recruit the people who have passed out from there. In the beginning, there will not be any trouble with regard to making use of the graduates turned out from there. But the question of recognizing has to be decided on certain principles, and those principles should be laid down and followed from the beginning. Now, I would like also to mention the question about scholarships. It was pointed out that certain scholarships, especially to the children of the working class, should be given. I would like to point out here that there is already provision for that, and it is not something new. What I would like to stress is that scholarships should be in larger numbers. The scholarships do not seem to be adequate for the rising standard of living and the cost of living. The scholarships that are given do not meet half the need. There is yet another matter which the Honorable Minister is the proper person to inquire about, and that is the merit scholarships that are available in different states to students for technical subjects or to other students who pass with very high marks are not given by the states if they read outside the state.